Okay, welcome back to the KMTRADERS channel. We're looking at pound USD, and just looking at from the daily time frame, we can see that we have broke our upwards momentum channel that we have, our upwards trend, and we have now broken and suppressed our zone. So let's take it down to a 4-hourly and see what we predicted from last time. So in the last video, we was around here, this level here, and we was waiting for our zone to suppress here. So this red zone here is like a killer entry zone. So when we suppress this, we are known to enter. So I was looking for entry for when suppressing this key point here. So I'll make a little mini zone of what I'm talking about. So if price did close above this point here, I would have entered. So entry would have been like that, and my take profit would have been this zone here, which is our next key point. So that was a nice 61 pip profit for a risk of 30 and almost 0% drawdown. So this trade worked out perfectly clean. If it worked out for you, let me know in the comment section below. We did also find rejection from this key point here as well, in the blue line here at 1.2903. So we see this instant rejection here, here. And also notice how we had a full straight sell with the instant buy. So that is also equivalent to rejection on this point here. So some sort of signs of rejection like this also gives me an idea of a potential reversal. So I can't. So what I want to see is how it reacts to this again, and I would be looking for a retest, and then perhaps another. Perhaps if I'm looking for a buy, I would look for this as my next take profit zone. So let's just get rid of this, and if I was to look for a long here, something along this lines here like this, maybe give it a bit of breathing room, something like that, maybe 30 pips for a gain of 63. So see if we could catch a reversal. An ideal reversal would be, for me, would be a double bottom. So that is when price comes down here and bounces back up for a retest and then straight back up. So I'm looking for a retest in either here or on this key zone here. I will also remove this point side over here so you can see it a bit better. So in a scenario where price moves downwards, what will happen is price manages to come past this zone here. So I'm just gonna draw this here. So if price is able to close in this region and below it, and not have an instant buying candle like these two here, then it would give me an idea that we are selling. So I would look for shorts, and price would come to something like this. So if price comes here, closes, get a retest from here, and then on the entry of this, something where it passes that would give me a better signal for a short. So something like that, like this, maybe just on the key point, on the key zone level. And my next take profit zone would be, have to check back in history, so something like this here. So I'm going to mark that in grey. So that would be something, or maybe something like this. So this is what we have to do as well, is look for all the previous resistance and support where all the key reversal points are. So this could be our three TP zone points. So somewhere like 1, 2, 3. So obviously they build up if you do 3 in one go. So that would be what I would look for in both scenarios. However, with the strategy, we're looking for certain rules. So if it manages to qualify our rule, then we will enter the trade in that direction. Furthermore, we also, because obviously trading changes every day, we have to monitor that. So momentum could change opposite ways. So that's why constantly make sure you checking your charts to see where price is going. If key zones are met, rejected, turns into support or resistance, things like that. Make a little criteria form for yourself. That's what I personally do. And if it's meeting your strategy, and if it's making sense to you what I'm saying, then hopefully then it will work for you. So that's my review for the pound USD for this week. We'll also look at it next week. Previously we've been doing it for the next week, so with other pairs as well. So if you would like to look at them other videos, have a check of that. But anyway, thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.